Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Right now we're going to do been bucking and chain is a little dull, so I'm just going to do a quick video on sharpening the chain. As I can see, there's some nicks in the chain, so we're going to go through it. I got my STIHL MS-180C and just going to go through the motions with it. So I've got my sharpener, which is a STIHL product. It's a file. It sets you up so that you can see if you're doing regular chainsawing at 30 degrees or if you're going to use a ripping chain at 10 degrees. I'm just going to go through the motions real quick. I always look for the start of the chain, which on the shorter ones it's green, on the longer ones it's yellow. Depends on the size of the chain you got, but I'm always looking for a starting point. So I start there, make sure my chain brake is off so I can spin it freely, and then I'll just start on one side of the saw and go to the other side of the saw. Just because my saw is a little hot from cutting it, I'm going to put a glove on. So I set it up, as you can see here, I set it up. This would be 30 degrees, and I make 3 passes. And if it needs more, if the tooth is jammed or anything, I do more than 3 passes. But we're going to do the whole chain. As you can see, I'm back to the green, so I made it all the way around. So I flip the saw around and I'll do the other side. Same thing, 30 degrees. You can see that tooth is a little bit messed up. Must have hit a rock or a nail or something. You know, all you got to do is just give it a 1 or 2 extra passes. Kind of reshapes the tooth for cutting. And there you got it, guys. So that's a real quick tutorial on sharpening a STIHL 180C using the STIHL file. You know, don't forget to like, subscribe. You know, you subscribe, it's free to subscribe. It helps me to bring more videos to you. Don't forget, I also got a website out now, hardworkfeelsgood.com, where I have a link for all my tools, etc. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, hard work feels good. Give it a try.